Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Shin from Masagari Channel, a faith healer, also matarder. So ngayong hapon, natutunan natin na nagsabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is a weekly gabay for the month of November 24 hanggang November 30 for the sign of Sagittarius. So, sagi, welcome, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, as spirit guides ang ating masasago for today's video? Kano naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Sagittarius ang ating mga hagilap. So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagop. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang suporta sa aking channel. Lalo na hindi nag-escape ng ads, naway pagpalain po kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik-liglig nag-uumapa manabalik sa inyong biyaya. So guys, kumapit ka na dahil ito na mensahe sa'yo ng ating mga gabay. Angel Spirit Messages, give me information sa mga kapatid natin sa Sagittarius. Angel Spirit Guides, please give me an information. There's a Five of Cups, so there's a regret, no? May mga panghihinayang or pagsisisi dito na nakikita, no? Kumbaga may naipapakita ng ating mga baraha na meron kang pinagsisisihan or kumbaga there's a kumbaga or some of you there's a rejection or something. And of course there's an Ace of Wands, no? Eight of Wands represent a fast communication, a fast movement, and trouble, no? Because there's a lot of communication coming in for you. There's a messages or email. And because there's a Two of Wands, there's a two-pot, no? And because the two-pot represent a decision. So, titignan mo yun, titignan mo ang eksena daw dito kung there's a both side of situation, kung ano yung mga magiging possibilities na kailangan maging wais at maging matalino sa pagdidesisyon. And because there's an Eight of Cups, so there's information that by letting go, no? Kumbaga walking away. So may mga bagay na kailangan mo na mag-move on, may mga bagay na kailangan mo ng talikuran, no? And of course there's a strength card. Kailangan mo maging matapang, kailangan mong maging magkaroon ng confidence, no, sa sarili mo. Additional messages. And because there's a Three of Cups, there's a celebration. So some of you may celebration din dito na nakikita. So let's see what is the Five of Cups. Let's see what is the Five of Cups. And of course guys, there's Eight of Swords. So kumbaga there's a lot of blockages or there's a lot of disappointments na kumbaga talagang nagsisink in dito, no? Maraming ganap dito ng negative energy na kumbaga feeling mo, pinagsisisihan mo or something na kumbaga hindi ka makakilos, hindi ka makagalaw sa situation. So let's see what is the Eight of Wands. So there's a Seven of Wands. So there's a Seven of Wands represent protection. So sinasabi dito there's a lot of messages coming in for you, pero you need to protect your power, you need to protect yourself, even your territory, no? So let's see what is the Two of Wands. So there's a Death card. So there's an ending and a new beginning. So may mga bagay na kailangan mo na magdesisyon as soon as possible. At the same time, there's a Death card represent an ending. Kumaga may mga bagay na matatapos na. And of course, there's a beginning for new start, no? May bagong simula. And of course, there's a Page of Cups. Listen to your intuition, no? Makikinig ka lagi sa intuition and gut feeling mo. And of course, binibigyan ka ng intuition para bigyan ka ng mensahe doon na kung ile-let go mo or magmo-move on ka na, kung kailangan mo ng pakawalan, gano'n. There's a Strength card. So there's a Queen of Swords, there's a bigger picture of yourself, no? Kailangan magkaroon ka ng tapang at lakas ng loob na tignan mo yung magiging possibilities. So ibig sabihin dito, dapat marunong ka tumanggap, no? Even ng pagkatalo ng mga bagay-bagay, kailangan mo tumanggap ng kumbaga kaganapan sa buhay mo. So let's see what is the Three of Cups. So there's a star card, no? There's a wish fulfillment, no? May mga bagay na matutupad na dito. So let's see what is the Five of Cups and the Eight of Swords. So there's a Seven of Cups. So there's a lot of option or there's a lot of confusion, no? Parang naguguluhan ka pa until now dahil sa lahat na nangyayari sa buhay mo. Kumbaga at the same time, kumbaga ang daming blockages, ang daming nega na nangyayari sa at kaganapan talaga sa buhay mo ngayon na kumbaga ang gulo-gulo, no? Feeling mo ang gulo-gulo. There's an 8 of Wands and the 7 of Wands. And see, there's a 10 of Swords. There's a betrayal, deception, or something stress. And of course, suddenly, kumaga, talagang binetray ka. No? Talagang tinrider ka. So, this is the 8 of Wands. There's a fast communication or fast movement na bigyan mo rin ng protection yung sarili mo. Kasi there's a lot of, kumaga, ingetera, manggagamit, or something na traidor. No? Kumaga, mag-ingat ka. So, let's see what is the two of Wands in the Death card. So, there's a Chariot card. So, taking action, no? May mga bagay na kailangan mo na magdesisyon at kailangan mo nang tapusin. Ibig sabihin dito para maputol na yung anuman tong ginagawa o anuman tong sistema o anuman tong situation mo. Kailangan mo na tong putulin yung pattern na to nang hindi na magtuloy-tuloy, you know? Let's see what is the 8 of Cups and the Page of Cups. So, there's a 10 of Cups. So, there's an happiness. At the end of the time, kumbaga magkakaroon ka ng kaligayahan dito. No? Magkakaroon ka ng kaligayahan, kailangan mo lang makinig sa intuition mo na kailangan mo nang ipakawalan at kailangan mo na mag-let go. Let's see what is the Strength card and the Queen of Cups. So, there's a 9 of Wands. So, there's a final push, no? Kumbaga, the perseverance na kailangan mo magtiyaga, no? Sa mga bagay-bagay. And of course, there's a 5 of Pentacles. So, there's a suddenly, kumbaga, magkakaroon ka na raw ng healing about sa finances. And of hope, kumbaga, magkakaroon talaga ng pag-asa pagdating na at kumbaga magdadala sa'yo ng celebration. So, let's see what is additional outcome. And of course, there's a 9 of Wands. So, there's a slow and steady, no? Panatiling kalmado, panatiling, kumbaga, maging mahinahon, no? And there's a 4 of Swords. Listen to your intuition and listen to your gut feeling, no? Makikinig ka lagi sa iyong vibration. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, guys, there's a fear. Nakakasense ako doon, there's a fear. And of course, there's a 3 of Pentacles dito na there's a collaboration or heart-to-heart talk or conversation na it's either about a business, about sa negosyo, about sa trabaho, or suddenly baka pinag-uusapan ka behind your back. And of course, there's a King of Cups. There's a devoted and supportive person. May tao talaga magmamahal sa'yo at the end of the time, no? And of course, there's a 10 of Wands. There's a lot of obligations, burdens, struggles na nangyari. Kailangan mo nang mag-let go kasi, kumbaga, lahat ng mga mabibigat at kala mong hindi mo na kayang bitawan mo. And of course, there is a 10 of Pentacles. There's a long-term success and long-term investment. At the end of the time, kapag binitawan mo at kapag nag-let go ka na, saka mo makukuha yung mga opportunities na magaganda. Kasi, may mga bagay na hindi na para sa'yo. Ganon. Kasi may taong darating o may darating na opportunity para sa'yo. Diba? Kailangan mo lang tumanggap at tanggapin na hindi sa lahat ng laban mananalo. So, let's see what is the Love Oracle card. Kasi meron talaga tayong laban na kailangan natin ilaban, pero may mga laban na kailangan natin sukuan. Diba? At may mga laban na hindi deserve na ipaglaban. Ganon. And of course, guys, there's the Chaser. See, I told you, there's an abandonment issue. So, some of you, kumbaga, baka natatakot kang iwanan o natatakot kang mawala sa buhay niya or something. Kumbaga, baka there's a abandonment issue talaga, no? May problema kapag dating sa naiiwan. And there's a love. There's an unconditional love, no? And of course, don't you worry na meron talaga magmamahal sa'yo, no? And of course, there's a soulmate. May soulmate connection and there's a partnership. Diba? Wag mo ikulong yung sarili mo sa mundong punong-puno ng toxic at punong-puno ng puot, no? At kumbaga lungkot ng nakaraan at sakit. Parang gano'n. So, let's see what is a yin and yang oracle card. There's a masculine energy, no? Some of you, if you are Sagittarius na lalaki, so some of you, if you're Sagittarius na men, so you are also a masculine. So, if you are Sagittarius women, may masculine dito na darating sa buhay mo, no? And there's a life cycle. So, magbabago na. There's a change, a transformation. No, babaguhin yung buhay mo dito. At the same time, there's a truth. Na ito yung totoong expression, yung totoong feeling, no? Totoong nararamdaman mo, lalabas na talaga siya. And of course, there's an action. Kailangan mo lang talaga magsimula at kailangan mong kumilos. There's a beginning coming in for you. 'Di ba? kailangan mo na i-let go. Hindi lahat talaga ng laban na yan. Kumbaga, kailangan mo ng bitawan. So, let's see what is the magical fairy messages. And because there is a flower power. See? Diba? Kapag mga panahon talaga ng sibol ba tawag doon or something na bulaklak, yung ganon. Talagang makikita mo talaga ang ganda ng eksena. Ganun yung, parang ganun yung magiging ng relationship mo or something buhay mo, no? Kapag seasonal, talagang mamumukad ka, hindi lang pagdating sa relasyon, pati sa business and sa health mo. Spend time with the flowers and flowers essence to increase your personal healing power. So, ibig sabihin dito, kailangan mo talaga ng mga flowers na makakatulong sa'yo para, kumbaga, kumalma yung loob mo, di ba? So, let's see what is additional messages for angel spirit guides. And of course, there's a snake. I told you so, di ba? There's a lot of snake. And, di ba? Traidor, maraming traidor sa paligid mo. So, kumbaga, hindi lahat kilala mo, di ba? Hindi lahat alam mo. And of course, there's a dandelion. There's a perseverance. May mga bagay na kailangan mo pagtiyagaan. No? And of course, there's a taking action. Kung hindi ka kikilos, hindi ka gagalaw, hindi mo malalaman ang katotohanan na ibibigay sa iyo ng universe kung paano talaga ang para sa iyo. 'Di ba? Kasi nga kinukulong mo yung sarili mo sa isang tao o sa isang bagay o nakaraan, 'di ba? So let's see what is additional messages. And of course, guys, there's a grip, no? May mga bagay na hindi mo na masisisi at hindi mo na mababago. Kailangan mo ma-appreciate yan na yung mga bagay na yan, kumbaga, it's about to learn, diba? Na mga bagay na yan, kailangan mo lang talaga matutunan. So, let's see what is the Monsology. Show the world the real you. Ipakita mo sa mundo kung sino ka talaga, kung ano yung halaga mo, no? And have faith in your dreams, no? Magtiwala ka sa pangarap mo. So, let's see what is Archangel Michael messages for you. Archangel Michael messages for you. Prayer will help you from this situation. See, magdasal ka lang, makakatulong daw to sa sitwasyon mo. And of course, guys, there's an have confidence. I told you so. Kailangan mo talaga ng confidence. Kasi kung nahihiya ka o natatakot ka, 'di ba? Parang sinabi mo na lang na talagang ayaw mong manalo, 'di ba? Parang gano'n. And of course, use your imagination and you see the answer. No, gamitan mo yung imagination mo na makita mo yung bigger future of yourself. Kung ano ba talaga yung life purpose mo, 'di ba? So let's see what is the energy. And of course, there's a man holding a heart. Sisi, I told you so. So some of you, if you are women, may taong talagang may hawak ng puso mo. Or some of you, if you are men, may taong, ikaw yung may pinangahawakan yung, kumbaga may taong mahal ka. Ganon. And of course, there's a adjacent possibilities. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga may mga pinto ang magsasara, may mga pinto ang magbubukas para sa'yo, no? So, let's see what is the chakra messages. And completion. So, ibig sabihin dito na, kumbaga, hindi pa huli ang lahat. There's a wisdom, no? Kumbaga, mabusila kang puso mo. Kumbaga, mabuti at malinis, no? Ang iyong intention. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's infinite abundance. So, magkakaroon ka ng kasaganahan na dito. And because there's some healer. So, some of you meron ka rin na spiritual abilities or kailangan mo ng healer. No? Let's see what is the additional messages for you. And of course, there's lost land. So, you've done this before. Nangyari na to dati, no? Kaya mong ulit bumawi at kaya mo ulit bumangon. And of course, big picture thinking, no? Yung sinasabi ko, di ba? Yung visionary or something visions na into realities. Dapat may mga bagay ay ideas kang talagang gusto mo. Yung pangarap mo talaga, di ba? And of course, let's see what is the romance angels. Past life relationship. You have known each other before. So, ibig sabihin ito, maaaring itong tao na to ay kilala mo na noon pa. Di ba? It's either ex mo din siya or something na, kumbaga, kaibigan mo, no? Or something na, kumbaga, or maaaring nga naging karelasyon mo na siya sa mga dati mong buhay, no? So, let's see what is Archangel Michael. I'm Raphael. Archangel Raphael messages. Stay positive. So, see, kailangan mo manatiliing positibo sa lahat ng bagay. Diba? So let's see what is the Jesus loving quotes. Jesus loving quote said, "He that believe on me, the works that I do, shall he do. Also, and the greater works that this shall he do, because I go to him my Father." Say, maniwala ka lang daw lahat ng mga bagay na ginagawa mo or lahat ng mga bagay na gawa mo. Kumbaga, yan ang makakatulong sa'yo at makakatulong sa lahat. No? Kumbaga, lahat ng mga bagay na alam mo, magkakaroon ng impact yan at babalik sa'yo kung ano may mga bagay na ginagawa mo. So, ibig sabihin dito, manumang yung uri ng ginagawa mo masama o mabuti, may balik sa'yo. Parang ganun sa madaling salita. So, let's see. This is the angel's answer. So, meron tayong question, guys. Pwede ka mag-question dito. So, bibilang ako ng 3. Kailangan nakapag-isip ka na ng question, no? So, umpisahan na natin. 1. 2. 3. So, nakapag-isip na po ba? So, laban na natin to. Angels answer messages, give me information. Okay, there's, as your angel, so ibig sabihin dito, kausapin mo ang iyong mga gabay, no? Kaya ito yung sinasabi na, di ba, kailangan mo lumapit sa ating mga gabay at ating Panginoon. And kailangan mo mag-take ng action. Hindi magbabago at hindi maalis sa sitwasyon kung hindi ka mag-take ng action. Di ba? Ito naman eh. So, let's see what is the angel's answer. Let's see what is the angel's answer. Angel's number pala. Sorry, angel's number. There's a 00. I am observant. So, sinasabi dito, angels are, angel asks for your attention. Open your eyes, listen, and think about everything that is happening. Trust your intuition and follow their guidance without any delays. Focus inwards through meditation and prayer. See? Kumbaga, obserbahan mo yung nangyayari sa'yo. Kasi may mali, no? Patuloy mong ginagawa, may mali. So, you need to take an action, tapusin mo. Kasi yan yung nagbibigay ng blockages sa'yo. Kaya hindi ka magkaroon ng improvement or something pagbabago sa buhay mo. Kasi there's a blockages or may mga bagay na nakaraan na dapat mong bitawan at may mga bagay na nakaraan na dapat mo nang pakawalan. So, let's see what is the messages of life. Diba? Siguro ang sinasabi dito, pagtanggap, no? Pagtanggap at pagkawala or kumawala, no? Sa mga negatibo na nangyari sa nakaraan mo. Ganon. Return to the inner temple. So, sinasabi dito, today I rediscover my inner self in sacred silence. This is the inner temple in which I am able to calmly study the lessons life has provided me. Here I regain my sense of fragility. I retrieve my trust in the universe, but in the light of my inner temple, I remember that value of each and every step of my life. See? Kailangan bumalik, no? Bumalik at maglingkod at maging, maging tapat at maging, maniwala at magtiwala sa ating poong may kapal na lahat ng mga bagay na nangyayari sa'yo, iaalis niya yan kung hindi makakabuti sa'yo. Kung makakasama at makakasira ng pagkatao mo, iaalis yan. At ito ba yung makakabuti at makakabigay sa'yo ng growth and expansion, ibibigay at ipagkakaloob sa'yo. So, ibig sabihin dito, tanggapin mo yung mga bagay na para sa'yo. At mag-antay ka sa opportunity na ibibigay sa'yo ng universe rather ng ating Panginoon. Tandaan mo, hindi kanya ililigaw. Hindi kanya ilalagay sa alanganin. Magtiwala at maniwala. So, this is the weekly gabay for the month of November 24 hanggang November 30 for the sign of Sagittario. So, Sagi, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na hindi nag-escape ng ads. Naway pagpalain po kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik, liglig, nag-umapaw ng balik sa inyong VI. And of course, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat po guys sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye! And babush.